was like na kwa mo na bi no nene mudo de lo nwoke odo de lo nwan abekwa na mka nsebe ka nkwu okwu dị mkpa na ihe na-eme na na-egbu anyị. Yes, na yesterday on the 27th of February 2026, Akwa Okuko Tiwaraki was sentenced to 11 months in prison. After we have Insta blog there 12 years. Our mona the mainstream media is our problem in this country. But I don't know to know for Insta blog there 12 years. I know a lot of people might see don't we come on correct gear. I didn't go and bother to go and check because I've been very busy with my personal life assignment. A lot of people are Insta blog say no 12 years, but I will confirm in our video na Akwa Okuko 11 months. Because no go extra no go 1 year before, so automatically in all his tenure on ML 2 years, it was there 2 years, but I'm na Akwa Okuko man no 11 months. Me, I strongly believe no man no there 11 months. And we by the time on for like 6 months, 6 to 5, a signal with very good behavior. So they decided to shorten his sentence. It may likely happen soon. But that is not why I am here. The reason you is that I'm working on today. With a mono news soon again, na government take over the premises of Akwa Okuko. A lot of people now say no injustice. Na government take over premises Akwa Okuko. Is not Akwa Okuko's property. They did not take over his property, his house and his hotel. It was never in the picture. So for go on so Akwa Okuko on the big man, this is an avenue choke monta. You have been in a acquire our property, and one of the biggest mistakes you will ever do is to build that the same property and the same land. In which case you have 5 plots of land. Don't do a mistake of building all of them once. In which 2 ebe, in which 3 ebe, in which 4 ebe, in which 1 ebe, or they look at that again. Why the thing you and say go and in go acquire our property to do this kind of thing. The mistake Akwa Okuko did. The mistake, and I will also tell you where we are going to. Was he that shrine close to his house and his hotel? That's the mistake on me. Because why? Ndi mmadụ amambezi that hotel again. Nka will go a bad business for him. It will only take the grace of God to bring back that hotel to life. That is it. Ndi mmadụ amambezi there again. Because the 75% of the customers na abịa na that hotel bụ ndị na-abịa na nke akwa eme ọgwụ. In any tourist attraction ebubata ndị mmadụ ọba nke bịa lodge na hotel except kwa na anata ihe dịka Christmas emoge wele ebe a melu short late ebe a na-abịa ala nwunye mmadụ na oge friends mmadụ. That's oburu okwu gbasara ọgbọ that okwu gbasara m, but I'm trying to give you an instance of what is happening. Ị so mgbe m mee that video say ha nekwa na ihe among my father man, to be honest among my father man, but the man has been there from day one. But I tried getting his name. I'm afubum there but over from Nisa after making this video. So when the man made a speech, I brought video seeking near the man who can the online bloggers really confuse you. This is one I'm not here by mistake. I'm here to set the record straight. Only who now got a huncho made the video mbali yakuno gota. Here government email allowable. Premises Akwa Okuko na shrine. That is what they are taking. And kedu ihe nkwu? Enwere ihe nkwu. Asịrị m unu that na the case, the trial case and everything has been reached already, even before the judgment ebido. Because you watch a case and when Akwa Okuko kwesị bịa na June or July. We say that there's no need of waiting for this moment. Here na kowale given ije made the investigation. Nihini na nkwu okwu 10 regarding this okwa. 7 or 8 of them are true. Because you will need a critical thinker to analyze what just happened. So for them to bring it back to February the Akwa Okuko gali waste 6 months, everyone 11 months to serve. So it's better. So obo no happen till that June. Abibe make we no more serve 11 months. Automatically no go 2 years plus. They will have to bring back the judgment. Be now. We making a call and him admitting no the guilty also shortens his service or kwesịrị serve. Because if they continue to go back and front trial and distance, oye elia ego, and the more na can stress here. Thirdly, that place option would have been presented to Akwa, could have been was presented or not bona option ekwesịrị enyela Akwa Okuko option. From my own understanding and my own personal opinion, I believe an offer was presented to Akwa Okuko. You demolish your properties niile or niye wele nke anụnwa ihe anụnwa wee gbalịsie onwe gị wee sacrifice ya. Nwoke na-eme sacrifice. Nwoke na-eme sacrifice. So if Akwa Okuko can sacrifice that part wee gbalịsie onwe ya ka o wee keep wee nke ndị ọzọ. Because mgbe pele mpe nwee story akọrọ anyị na ndị oshi bịara ọbụcha one man na-apụ. The man chibe nke njika ndị oshi na chiyata azụ saachị nwere ha apụ na-apụkwa ọzọ. The man na-eti nke njika na chiyata ransack the house onwezi any valuable thing they can take again. The man ka na-asị nke ojika. So at the end of the day, it took them time to realize that na ndụ ya bụ nke oji wee ka. So kedu ihe na-achọ ikwu n'okwu a? Ihe na-achọ ikwu n'okwu a bụ na Akwa Okuko might have traded the bigger project, the bigger land, the bigger source of income to a mere 2 plots or 3 plots of land for the shrine. Because by believing a video in Afanakweba shows the demolition of that place to also to confirm to you that na mwehe nkwulu nya. Because aburo monye ya wepote ikpote mutata nkwe nwanne chi nkwe bi no. Ikpote godo mu tomorrow no la sim kedi ihe nkwu maka Akwa Okuko agwa ngisi gị na justice must be served, and the manner because the government has stressed Oku too much that the justice is taking longer time. You cannot just expect Akwa Okuko bandi but today no. Government use as a reference point in order to punish other omompiampiam. So Akwa Okuko is now the bigger fish in the net. He's a bigger fish in the river. So if justice can be carried out on his head out of ignorance here, if Akwa Okuko could have accepted these things from beginning, by now then we face is in there. Have all these online bloggers and all those guys are not telling Akwa Okuko the truth. Akwa Okuko messy up. Mananji, if truly, in my own opinion, all these things lies, he might have traded a bigger project into something. That means he reasoned with his head and he also listened to advice. Onkonye mweko jemog. Fogua neso Akwa Okuko neso heme ibo wankanwa. Property yoneki acquire good that can be able to bail you out in this type of situation that pitalogi. Because all Akwa assets was on hold. Everything, including the money in the bank account, everything was on hold. The cars and everything. Can they all these things? If you go come mother ban a compound Akwa eba hona park moto. They did not enter there because he traded the bigger one, because that place is massive for government party like that, except in name with a human obalam mother, mobisi mother there. That is when government will now go there. So that shrine now has been taken away, obolo government property. Like I said yesterday, Akwa Okuko went Ziego decided to buy it back. He can buy it back, but on a higher level. Manoboskwa no chuiji achuaja kadete mpwali anaka permanently. He should go on and do it. Nanke oji we megine ka. It's a lesson to all our youth. Eboboneno wepo akane ihe ọjọọ. Crime does not pay. Iyo boni na emi nwanne risi asidi epo. And to go on a joker, did they say Jesus igike? Did they say Ike Bible say na every other thing will fail, and at this word of God will never fail. And now today obo Akwa Okuko, tomorrow more pastor no ya abomaka nke in a joker hicha anya gị, because the room na gali na-enwe pastor enwete futi there. So anya sa onye ọbụla, because ka o si dị n'ụka ka o si dị n'omenala, mana ihe niile anyị na-ayọ ka Chukwu dube onye ọbụla ka ọ dịkwanụ.